ውሳፕ ኤቭሪባዲ ሃይድን ትዳይ እንዴት ናችሁ? በዚህ ቻናል እንግሊዘኛን ከዜሮ ጀምሬ እኔ የተማርኩትን በቀላል መንገድ አሳያችኋለሁ። ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ ቤተሰብ ይሁኑ። Thank you for watching me. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video, and today we're going to look at very common everyday expressions, so you can grab your notebook and you can follow along easily, right? ዛሬ የማሳያችሁ it's all about feelings, right? ስሜቶቻችሁን በእንግሊዝኛ እንዴት መግለጽ እንደምትችሉ አሳያችኋለሁ። so ስሜታዊ ሁኛለሁ። so ስሜታዊ መሆን in English nervous. so ስሜታዊ ሁኛለሁ I am nervous. I am nervous እንላለን, right? I am nervous. ጓጉቻለሁ I am excited, right? I am excited. ደብሮኛል I am bored. I am bored. እርቦኛል I am hungry. I am hungry. ተናድጃለሁ I am angry. ግራ መጋባት confused. so ግራ ተጋብቻለሁ I am confused. መደበር bored. so ደብሮኛል ወይም ተደብሬያለሁ I am bored. nice. መራብ hungry. so እርቦኛል I am hungry. nice. መናደድ angry. so ተናድጃለሁ I am angry ማለት relaxed or relax. so ዘና ብያለሁ I am relaxed. okay. ደክሞኛል መድከም tired. ስለዚህ ደክሞኛል I am tired. መፍራት scared. I am scared. amazing. I am scared. so በእንግሊዘኛ ስሜቶቻችሁን እንዴት እንደምገልጹ አይተናቸዋል ማለት ነው። so let me give you a recap of this video, right? so ተናድጃለሁ እንዴት ትላላችሁ? this is a question for you, right? so ተናድጃለሁ I am angry. ተናድጃለሁ I am scared. ፈርቻለሁ I am confused. ግራ ተጋብቻለሁ I am bored. ደብሮኛል I am nervous. ስሜታዊ ሆኛለሁ I am hungry. እርቦኛል ወይም ተርቤያለሁ። so this is the end of today's video. if you have any question or suggestion, you can ask me in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. ይመቻችሁ።